I am going to discuss today applications of cross product number. Yesterday I discussed cross product definition, properties and examples. Today I discuss applications of cross product. Look here, all of you. Okay? In the applications, Nana, first I discuss area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Okay, na? In the situation, Nana, this is the parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. In the situation, this is P bar, this is also P bar, this is Q bar, this is also Q bar. Here two vectors are there, Nana. One is P bar, other one is Q bar. Okay? In the parallelogram, theta is angle between two vectors. Okay, we know that each and everything. In the situation, okay, area of the parallelogram. Once again I repeat, area of the parallelogram is defined as, once again I repeat, area of the parallelogram is defined as, okay, area of the parallelogram defined as length into perpendicular distance between two opposite sides. Length into perpendicular distance between two opposite sides. Okay, Nana, look here. Area of the parallelogram defined as length into perpendicular distance between two opposite sides. Here length is given P. This is the perpendicular distance between opposite sides. Here, Nana, this is denoted by xy, suppose. Here, this is Q, this is x, y, this angle is theta. xy is perpendicular distance between two opposite sides. According to this diagram, sin theta, sin definition is opposite side by hypotenuse side. Simply xy value, that means perpendicular distance between two opposite sides is q sin theta. This is the formula for area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is simply PQ sin theta. Okay, Nana? Yesterday this write as area of the parallelogram is PQ sin theta. Yesterday this write as modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Important notice, Nana. What is the area of the parallelogram? Modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Look here, all of you. Okay, na? Area of the parallelogram definition. Length into perpendicular distance between two opposite sides. Length is given P. Perpendicular distance between opposite sides is xy. According to diagram, xy is determined. Xy is determined. Look here, all of you. Now I discuss applications of cross product. Area of the parallelogram formula. Modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Next question is find area of the triangle. Okay. In the situation, this is the parallelogram. P bar, Q bar, P bar, Q bar. Opposite sides are equal. In the parallelogram, for example, here middle line can be constructed. This is the triangle, this is the triangle. Simply, parallelogram contains upper triangle, lower triangle. Simply, area of the parallelogram write as 2 times of the area of the triangle, because here in the parallelogram contain how many triangles? 2 triangles. Here 2 other side, numerator other side, denominator. Finally, to write area of the triangle is half that of the area of parallelogram. Okay, area of parallelogram, because numerator other side, denominator. In the situation of into, we know that area of the parallelogram formula modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Area of the triangle is half that of the modulus of P bar cross Q bar. Look here. Next question is Nana, area of the parallelogram. In terms of diagonals. Area of the parallelogram in terms of diagonals. Look here, all of you. In the situation, this is the P bar, this is the Q bar, this is the P bar, this is the Q bar. Here P bar, Q bar are sides of the parallelogram. But the question is area of the parallelogram in terms of diagonal length. This is the diagonal D1. This is the diagonal D2. Here how many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals D1, D2. Area of the parallelogram in terms of diagonals, directly I give half into modulus of D1 bar cross D2 bar. Derivation of time battedi direct ga gurtu pettukondi. Here D1, D2 are diagonals of the parallelogram. What is the area of the parallelogram in terms of diagonals? Half into modulus of D1 bar cross D2 bar. D1 cross D2 bar. Look here now. Okay, Nana. Next, Nana. Next last one, Nana. Today, applications of cross product. Nana. Area of the parallelogram in terms of side lengths. Modulus of p bar cross q bar. Area of the triangle half into modulus of p bar cross q bar. Area of the parallelogram in terms of diagonals half into modulus of d1 bar cross d2 bar. This is the triangle, Nana. Here vectors are placed vertices of the triangle. Once again I repeat, simply three vectors, Nana, placed at vertices or corners of the triangle. In the situation, what is the formula for area of the triangle? What is the formula for area of the triangle, Nana? Area of the triangle is half into det of. Look here, Nana. Area of the triangle is half into modulus of. Look here, all of you, Nana. P bar cross q bar plus q bar cross r bar. How many vectors are there? Three vectors. R bar cross p bar. This is the formula for area of the triangle in terms of vectors. Here how many vectors are given? Three vectors placed at the vertices of the triangle. In the situation, area of the triangle is half into modulus of p bar cross q bar plus q bar cross r bar plus r bar cross q bar. For example, p bar is a position vector. It is in three dimensional. Px I cap, suppose Py j cap plus Pz k cap. Okay, suppose this is the q bar, q bar is qx I cap plus qy j cap plus qz k cap. Here how many vectors are there? Two vectors. One is p bar, other one is q bar. These two vectors, for example, the question is, if two vectors are in parallel, once again I repeat, if two vectors are in parallel, suppose p bar, q bar are in parallel. In the situation, two vectors are parallel. I compare, j compare, k compare. Coefficients are compare. In the situation, look here, Nana. Px by qx. Px by qx. Next jj compare. Py by qy. Next k coefficient compare. Pz by qz. Very important notice, Nana. Two vectors are parallel. In the situation, I compare equal to j coefficient compare equal to k coefficient compare. In the situation, suppose py determine, px is given, qx is given, qy is given. Py is not determined, so this equation can be taken. All are substitute easily to get py. Very important model, very important notice. The important notice is torque. Torque. What is the meaning of torque? What is the meaning of torque? Torque means nana, for example, your door, vakil antaru kada, main door. Itla unnaru. What happens? Push the door. What happens? Door is turned. Simply, torque is nothing but the turning effect of force. Your main door ni push chesavu. What happens? Door is turned. What is the meaning of torque? Torque is nothing but the turning effect of the force. Turning effect of the force. Okay, nana? Turning effect of force is called torque. For example, this is called fixed support of the door. Nana. This is the door. Okay. In the situation, here hinges are there. Hinges means screws. Here, here push none. Here I apply some force. Okay. What happens? The door turn. In the topic, where force is applied force to fixed support. This distance denoted by R. Okay. Here force applied in this direction. R is in this direction. Force is applied along z axis. R is along x axis. That means both are mutually perpendicular. Here F and R mutually perpendicular. In the situation, torque definition is force into, look here all of you, torque definition is force into perpendicular distance. Once again I repeat, torque definition is force into perpendicular distance from perpendicular distance from force to fixed end or fixed axis. What is the definition of torque? Directly turning effect of force is called torque. Torque mathematical definition is force into perpendicular distance. Vivek ఒకసారి రీలాగినావు నాన్న, రీలాగినావు. Torque definition is force into perpendicular distance from force to fixed end. Perpendicular distance from force to fixed end. This is the definition of torque. Simply it write as distance denoted by R. F. Between in the situation angle is 90. It write as theta. Simply torque formula is Rf sin theta. In terms of vectors, tau bar write as R bar cross F bar. R bar cross F bar. Okay. Today I discuss rotational equilibrium. Torque formula nana R bar cross F bar. What is the formula for tau bar? R bar cross F bar. This is not right F bar cross R bar because vector product, simply cross product, not follow commutative law. That's why it cannot write F bar cross R bar. Look here now. Next situation. Look here all of you. Next situation. In the situation rotational equilibrium I discuss. Rotational equilibrium. Generally in the mechanics, equilibrium means rest. Simply forces acting on the body, net force is 0. Forces present on the body, net force is 0. This phenomena is called rotational equilibrium. Okay, Nana? Here, Nana, equilibrium means generally in the mechanics, net force is zero. Rotational equilibrium means net torque is zero. Simply, for example, this is the body. Body rotate here. This is anti-clockwise torque. This is clockwise torque. In the situation, body does not rotate. Does not rotate means simply clockwise torque balances by anti-clockwise torque. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. Anti-clockwise torque balanced by clockwise torque. Both are opposite direction. It will be cancelled. Finally, net torque is zero. In the situation when rotational equilibrium can see, Nana, clockwise torque balances by the anti-clockwise torque. Anti-clockwise torque. Okay, Nana, clockwise torque balances by the anti. Look here. Page number 259. This is the roller, Nana. Mass of the roller is 300 kg. Against a step. Here step is constructed. Steps, Nana. Metlu. Here. This step is constructed. This step height is given. This step height is given 20 centimeters. Okay. Radius of the roller is given. Radius is given 50 centimeters. In the situation, minimum horizontal force applied. The question is very important. Minimum horizontal force applied through center of mass, the roller to take onto the step, just onto the step. Nana, here, this is the roller, Nana. Here step is there. Our agenda is here horizontal force required to roller move onto the step, Nana. This is the question. In the situation, Nana, center to any arc, this is called radius, Nana. This is 50 centimeters. Look here, all of you. Nana, here to here height, here to here height is same. This is 20, this is 20. Remaining length is, look here, Nana. Look here, all of you. This is 50 centimeters because this is radius. Here to here 50, here to here 20. The remaining is 30 centimeters. Okay? 30 plus 20. This is 50. Here, this is the right angle triangle, Nana. Hypotenuse 50, one side 30. Automatically, this is also 40. Because right angle triangle, which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. In the situation, the roller just onto the step. Here, this force gives, this is clockwise torque. Okay? Here, another force is weight always vertically downwards. Weight always vertically downwards. It gives anti-clockwise torque. This is the rotational equilibrium. What is the condition in rotational equilibrium? Clockwise torque balances by the anti-clockwise torque. What is the torque definition? Force into perpendicular distance from fixed point to force. Okay? టార్క్ డెఫినిషన్ గుర్తుందా మీకు? RF. Here, look here. RF sin theta. Theta becomes 90 when R and F both are perpendicular. క్లాక్ వైజ్ టార్క్ దేని వల్ల వస్తుంది? ఫోర్స్. F రాసేసాను. R అంటే చూడాలి నాన్న, R అంటే లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్టెప్ కదా, ఎడ్జ్ కదా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది. చూడు, మన ఎజెండా ఏంటి? ఈ స్టెప్ని రోలర్ ఎక్కించాలి. ఆన్ టు ద స్టెప్ రోలర్ మూవ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ కెన్ బి కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ ఏ ఆరిజిన్. This is the force. This is the perpendicular distance about this point. This value is nothing but the 30. Look here. Because in the physics, parallel is same. Look here. Next one. Anti-clockwise torque gives due to gravitational force mg into torque basic definition, force into perpendicular distance. Look here, this is the force, this is the perpendicular distance about point O, because the question is roller moves onto the step. So here the step considered as a fixed point. This is distance, this is force. In the situation, what is the perpendicular distance? 40. Here F is determined 30, mass of the roller is given 300, G value is 9.8 into 40. 30 how many times? 10 times. 9.8 into 10, 98. 98 into 40, it will be multiplied. Finally we get 3920. What is the force unit? Newton.